Empty backfield on second down as Rodgers sets and throws. Another first down in Houston territory as Williams had his helmet knocked off. Packers empty the backfield on second down. Rodgers on 2nd and 10 to a wide open Mercedes Lewis. Third down and 1. Rodgers looking to throw. It's caught by Davante Adams. 3rd and goal. Rodgers throws, finds Adams for a Packers touchdown.
That's why he couldn't care less. He was just so annoyed at the fact that he hasn't gotten there yet.
2nd down and 8. Catches made by Adams, who has the Green Bay touchdown. 3rd down and 9. Packers must get to the 32 as this pass is caught by Adams for a Packers first down. 2nd down and 2 with Williams in the backfield. Rodgers, Adams inside the 10 and forced out of bounds. Both backs on the field, Dillon and Williams. Williams in motion, 9th play of the drive. Rodgers, Sternberger, touchdown. Rodgers, pump fake on first down. Now he throws, and a diving catch is made by the tight end, Tunyon.
They need to bring me in, put me on the ISO.
3rd down and 10. It is Adams, cuts to the outside and picks up a first down. 2nd and goal. Rodgers looking, throws, end zone, touchdown. Malik Taylor. 3rd down and 5. Rodgers under pressure, breaks away from Cunningham, and the catch is made for a first down.
Rubbed over here for a first down.
3rd down and 4. As Rodgers throws, it's Adams, makes the catch, and will take it in for his 2nd touchdown today. 45 yards from Rodgers to Adams on 3rd down. Henry had a huge game against the Texans last week. Rodgers on 3rd and 7, the adjustment made by Adams, his 13th catch today.